Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to use single name on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use one name on your Facebook profile. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Please, if you are using iOS, I will advise you to log into your account using Android device, because it is very simple to do this on Android. Now once you log into your account, once you open your Play Store, search for VPN lite. Now you can see VPN lite over here. All you need to do is to just open this particular VPN. If you already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest version of this application, so update it. Now once you have downloaded this application, open your VPN lite over here. So you can see your VPN lite. Open this particular application, and once you open this application you can see quick connect. Click on quick connect and then wait as it is loading over here. So you can see it is loading, so just wait as it is loading for the service. So select your server, so scroll and then select Indonesia. So you can see Indonesia over here. Select Indonesia server. So once it has loaded, just scroll and then select Indonesia server. And once you select Indonesia server, just wait as it is loading, and you can see Jakarta. Select the second one. You can see Jakarta, the first one, and then the second one. Select the second one. So just select the second one and then click on connect. So you can see connecting over here, so just wait as it is connecting over here. So just wait for it to be connected. So you can see connected. Now you can see the key option at the top here. It means we have connected to this particular VPN. Now once you are done, open your Facebook over here. So go ahead and then open your Facebook application. Now once you open your Facebook, now let me show you my profile. You can see I already have a single name on my profile. You can see I have freedom over here. So it means I have connected to, I'm already using a single name. You can see my single name profile over here. So let me show you how you can also do this. You can see I'm using single name over here. So to do this, once you open your Facebook, click on your profile and then click on the settings at the top right corner. Now once you click on the settings, you can see account center. Click on account center, and once you click on account center, you can see profile over here. Click on profile. You can see meta and then profile. Click on your profile, which contains your name. So select the name associated with the Facebook account. So you can see name over here. Select name, and let me show you how to do this. This is very simple. Now you can see first name and then the second name. Now for the first name, enter the single name you want to use, and then the second name, enter enter space bar. So for the last name, enter space bar. So you can see once you enter space bar, you can see with review change. So you need to make sure you are connected to this particular VPN. So for the first name, enter the single name you want to use and then skip the middle name. Now the last name, just enter space bar, and once you enter space bar, click on review change. And once you click on review change, your single name, which is the first name you selected, will be activated on your Facebook profile. So this is very simple. Like I said earlier, if you're using iOS, make sure you log into your account on Android device, because it is very easy and you can log in later on your iOS. So it is very simple. I have been doing it, and even on my account on my iOS too, I'm still using single name. So this is very, very simple. So I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video